Hey guys, what's going on? Kyra and Nankivell here. It's about 7:30 p.m. Sunday, December 15th. I just got back not too long ago from my BMOQ course, the Reservist Weekend course from December to May. I just wanted to give you guys some reactions, what it was like, I guess. I'll do my best. I mean, I'm running on very limited hours of sleep right now, and I have 3 finals this week that I haven't studied for, so I'm going to do this all in one take. Okay, so first thing, I'll do it in chronological order. So Friday, December 13th, so last Friday, we had kitting. So at 8 a.m. we all reported to an armory and got all of our stuff like sized, like all our shirts, all our boots, all of our bags, like everything, like literally everything, unless they were out of it. But we have a lot. Like, here, I'll show you guys real quick. I don't know if you can see. This is 3 bags stacked on top of each other. Maybe you can see in the mirror. I don't know. This is a really bad angle. I'm sorry. I just kind of clean it up though, so I'm not gonna like unpack it. So yeah, we got kitted. That took a long time. Well, I mean, it's expected. There was about 100 of us, so I mean, it would take a long time, especially when you have to do boots and CAD pad stuff, winter stuff, all of that. So we got that done from about 8 to 3 p.m. Funny story, I actually ended up missing an exam. Whoops. But it's all good. I had to be there, so, I mean, it is what it is. I'm in the process of working that out. Thank you to my, I guess I can just call him the commanding officer. I don't even know if that's proper. The course officer. There we go. Course officer. What am I saying? Commanding officer. See, people, I've only been in the military for literally like 4 days, so cut me some slack. I know, like, I don't want hate for like misuse of terms and all of that. I'm trying my best. I am not 100% representation of the Canadian Armed Forces. I'm just one person making like little vlogs, so don't base your whole opinion off of this, please. Like, the military is awesome, it's great. If I say something stupid, it's not representative of how well they teach us or anything like that. It's literally just me like being dumb, okay? So yeah, I got this letter written for me, which is super nice, to help me with getting my exam stuff sorted out. So yeah, kitting took about, I don't know, 8 to 3, a couple hours. Was that 7 hours? And then after that, I came on TTC, but the master corporal there was he helped me get a ride. He helped me get a ride to the next place, Fort York, for our training. So that was super nice. Thank you so much. I'm not going to say any names on this YouTube channel, by the way. Like, I'm not risking people's privacy and things like that, so don't expect anything like that. So yeah, we got kitted, got driven over to the army for training, took the TTC back to my house to get my PT gear and paperwork, came back, and when I came back, we did some, like, classroom stuff. We set up our sleeping area, like, minor things. We went to bed, I think, at, like, 11. It's really just organizational. We got split into sections. We weren't wearing our uniforms, so we were all wearing civvies because everything was just, like, packed into bags. We never opened our, like, bags to check our kit on Friday. We didn't do that. We did that on Saturday. So it's Saturday. We woke up at 5 a.m. We didn't have PT. We had breakfast. We had some lectures. What else did we do? That's what we did. We went through all of our kit. Like, we literally went piece by piece through every single thing in our kit and got that all sorted out, repacked it all. We got a tutorial on how to make our cots and stuff for inspection and what to put on it, and the sizes of everything, like how to fold, all that stuff. Then we, like, showered and whatnot. There was actually a Christmas dinner going on that night, so we stayed inside the classroom because we're all wearing CAD pad stuff, and all of these officers and NCMs are wearing their DEUs, their dress uniforms, so like the suits and stuff, right? So yeah, we stayed in the classroom, did a couple lectures. Sunday we woke up at 4:30 because we had PT at 5, so we have to be ready at 5, and we did our fitness test. So we did some 10 laps, timed, then we did some pull-ups, I don't know if it's pull-ups or chin-ups. So ones where your hands are facing like this. So I don't know what that is because I am not good at them and I don't practice them, but we have to do those, sit-ups, push-ups, just to benchmark so that we have an account of our progress to come. So that's really exciting. We had breakfast, we had some lectures, we had an inspection, we had PT, like an hour to shower and everything, then inspection. So that was pretty interesting. I've seen that in like training videos and stuff, but living it is a different thing for sure. Our section did well, but you know, there's still some room for improvement, but we'll get it. Then we had breakfast, and then we had lectures, and then we did some drill. So, you know, like learning how to stand at attention, at ease, and easy. Turns, about turn, right turn, left turn, incline, right, incline, left. Marching, stuff like that. Our platoon's going to get great at that as well. I mean, we're a little bit rusty now, but some of us, that was our first time. I did air cadets for like a year, so I knew some things, but obviously I was rusty too. I was cow kicking a bit, yikes, but fix that up real quick. And then what did we do? After drill, I guess that was pretty much the end of the day. I mean, we had quite a few lectures today. After that, we packed all our stuff up, took down the cots, put them away, then got dismissed and changed back into our civvies. So we didn't wear our CAD uniforms home. We changed back into our civvy clothes. Although you are allowed to wear your CAD to and from work, I think we were told to change just because we're still very new and we are representing the Canadian Armed Forces, and we need to know more. I think I agree. Like, we need to know more before we do something silly, and then someone takes a picture, it goes viral, and then everyone thinks poorly just because of one person. That's why I put that little disclaimer about me. Like, I am not representative of the entire Canadian Armed Forces. I'm also just a reservist, not regular force. So keep that in mind when you watch these videos. Just you know. I'm doing this to help you, but I also don't really want all the pressure and criticism, you know? So I'll answer your questions to the best of my abilities, but I'm definitely not an expert. I've been in the military for under a week. So yeah. So that was BMOQ. We have a couple privates in our class as well, so I guess it's like a BMOQ split. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Like, I had a lot of fun because I've done a lot of like academic stuff for the last many years of my life. So it was nice to do some hands-on, some like workouts and like all of that great stuff. Meeting amazing people from all walks of life, not lives, because the reserves is very diverse. Like, I mean, in terms of, you know, culture and all that stuff, it's very diverse. It really is. And also in terms of, you know, what people do for work. For example, I am in civil engineering at U of T. There's other people in similar programs, even the same program, or there's people who have worked in industry for a long time that you can talk to. So it's really cool, like, culture and experience being there. And we're very urgent when we're there. You know, we're running on the parade square, so we didn't know how to march yet. We have timings that we have to meet. You know, we have organizational things like course lead. I'm forgetting all these terms already. Like, I just got home. I don't know why. But we have someone who's like kind of leading the course, like one of the recruits, and we have section leaders. We have 3 sections. Yeah, it's very organized. It's very it's really, really making me think, you know? Intellectually, we do class and stuff like that. But also, like, just the standards, like holding yourself to a high standard is amazing, and I'm so excited to like build habits in that way. So yeah, I'm just really excited. Met lots of cool people, had a really great experience. I know that week 1 is not representative of what BMOQ or BMQ is going to be like for the rest of the time, so I'm not claiming that it is. I'm not claiming that like it's going to be an easy ride at all. There's another BMQ class going on, kind of like parallel to us, but they're 8 weeks ahead of us, I believe. So we see what they do. And that looks tough, but we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. Respect to all of those people if you ever watch this video. Yes, that is all. I'm going to go do my laundry and eat. I hope you got some value from this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Sorry there's no cute little, animations here that I usually do. I don't have time right now. My next training is, I think, January 5th, that weekend. So look forward to another video around then. And I'll catch y'all later.